What if your body has been trying to warn you, but you've been ignoring the signs? Many serious diseases don't start suddenly. They whisper first. And today, I'm going to show you 7 silent warning signs that could appear weeks or even months before something serious develops. Stay until the end, because number 6 is something many people mistake for just stress. 1. Constant fatigue. Not just being tired. We're talking about exhaustion that doesn't improve with rest. If you wake up tired, if small tasks feel heavy, if your energy drops daily for no clear reason, your body could be signaling thyroid imbalance, early diabetes, heart strain, even certain cancers. Fatigue is one of the earliest silent warnings.
Number 2. Unexplained weight changes. If you're losing weight without trying, or gaining weight quickly without lifestyle changes, your body may be reacting to hormonal imbalance, thyroid dysfunction, digestive disorders, insulin resistance. Sudden weight change is not just aging, it's information.
Frequent headaches are normal, but if they are increasing, they feel different, or they come with vision changes, it may signal high blood pressure, dehydration imbalance, hormonal shifts, or neurological stress. Your head does not hurt for no reason.
4. Changes in skin. Your skin is a mirror of internal health. Look for yellowish tone, persistent itching, dark patches on neck, unusual bruising. These can relate to liver problems, blood sugar imbalance, circulation issues. Skin changes are often ignored early signals. 5. Digestive changes. If your bowel habits suddenly change, more constipation, more diarrhea, persistent bloating, your body may be warning about gut inflammation, food intolerance, colon problems, stress hormone overload. Your gut health affects everything.
6. Brain fog. Many people call this just stress, but brain fog, difficulty focusing, forgetfulness, confusion, can signal vitamin deficiencies, hormonal imbalance, sleep disorder, chronic inflammation. When your thinking feels unclear repeatedly, your body may be asking for help. 7.
Your body
Shortness of
whispers
breath.
before it
If
screams.
climbing stairs suddenly feels
Fatigue,
harder,
weight
if you feel
changes,
breathless during
headaches,
small activity,
skin
this can
changes,
indicate
digestive
heart strain,
shifts,
lung
brain
function
fog,
issues,
breathing
anemia,
changes.
circulation
Not
problems.
every symptom
This is
means
not something to
disease,
ignore.
but repeated patterns deserve attention. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Daily Body Signals, because your health is your real wealth, and the earlier you listen, the better your future becomes.